Hello everyone. We will see the one problem depending upon the oblique line, that is the line which is inclined to both uh, HP and VP. Okay. So this is the given data which is given to us, that is 90 long line. That means true length is given 90 Then it is inclined to HP, that is theta is given 30 degree and 45 degree to the VP, so phi is 45 degree. Draw its projection of point if the point A is 10 above the HP and 20 in front of VP, which is given data for us. Okay, that means if the theta and phi is given, that means line is inclined to both HP and VP. Okay, with the true length is given. Okay, why it is called an oblique line? Because that line is inclined to both HP and VP, that's why it is called as an oblique line. Okay, so first of all, what is the procedure? In short, I will tell you. It is necessary to draw the xy axis. Okay, as we have given point A is 10 so A dash is 10 above the xy line, which is shown in the diagram. Okay, next again they have given us that point A is 20 in front of VP, that means it is below the xy line. Okay, so 20 is given in the problem statement, so we have shown that point A is 20 below the xy line, so we have drawn a horizontal line from both this A dash and A. Okay, again we have given a true length by taking the 90 in the compass, or by measuring the distance from A dash 90 we have drawn a line at an angle of 30 degree. Okay, that is A dash B1 dash. This is the line which is at a 30 degree. Okay, now again we have drawn a top view to the xy line or below the xy line at an angle of 45 degree, which is shown in the diagram. Okay, so what is the procedure? Extend or draw a vertical line from B1 dash in the downward direction, okay, up to B1, and take a distance of A to B1 into the compass and mark a arc which cut this true top view line at point B. From B, draw a horizontal line. Okay, it is nothing but the locus of B, okay, in the top view, and also we have shown the locus of B in the front view, which is shown in the diagram. Okay, next is from point B in the top view, draw a vertical line in the upward direction which directly cut to the horizontal line or locus of B in the front view, and mark it as a B dash. Okay, and successively join all these points. Okay, so the angle between front view line with the axis is nothing but the alpha, and the angle between top view line below the xy line, it is nothing but the beta, and angle made by the true line with the horizontal plane or axis is nothing but the 45, or it is denoted by phi. Okay, which is shown in the diagram. And also we have drawn a traces, that is V to V dash, H to H dash. Okay, depending upon what they are asking to us in the problem statement, we have to find out it. Okay, so this is the general idea about the oblique line. Okay, in deep we will see in next lecture. But what we have observed from this diagram, that this is the observation: if one view of line is true length, that is TL, then its adjacent view is either parallel to the xy, that is reference line, or point view, which is the observation we have made from the previous diagram. That is, if one view of line is true length, then its adjacent view in the either parallel to the xy or point view. Okay, next is true inclination theta or phi of line is always with the true length. Okay, that means in this diagram we have shown that theta and phi, and it is always with the true length. Okay, that means in short we can say that theta and phi is related with the true length. Okay, next is, if the line is in apparent length form, then its inclination is apparent to the alpha and beta. Okay, that means apparent length of line is shown by the angle alpha and beta. In short, this is the meaning of point number 3. Next is, apparent length is always less than the true length, which is shown in the diagram. Okay, that means front view and top view which is shown in the diagram is always less than the true length. Next, point number 5 is apparent inclination alpha or beta are always greater than true inclination theta and phi, which is already shown in the diagram, that is alpha and beta is greater than theta and phi. Okay, so these are the observation we have made by drawing a oblique line or projection of oblique line by the first angle method. Okay, so this is about oblique line. Thank you so much.